Aave, in a real sense, is a coin that basically is right now exchanged at $79.19 per unit, with the market capitalization of $1,155,538,734 that, all things considered, makes it a mid-position digital currency in an unobtrusive manner. Computerized resources like Aave for the most part have currently basically turned into the point of convergence of consideration for certainly retail financial backers and examiners, yet additionally for genuinely enormous institutional financial backers who especially see Aave and the remainder of digital currencies as a successful in every practical sense. Support against expansion that takes a by and large weighty cost for the worldwide economy in a truly significant manner. Hence, having basically a piece of the portfolio gave to crypto explicitly is essentially an unquestionable requirement for any merchant and financial backer who by and large needs to generally develop his abundance over the approaching 10 years. Lovely in opposition to mainstream thinking. However, with it truly comes the need to intently sort of follow the improvements on the expressed market to fathom the in every practical sense current circumstance and truly have some feeling representing things to come in a really significant manner. This Aave cost expectation model especially was made to assist a peruser with exploring through the quickly advancing crypto space, track down the very best coins or tokens to by and large put resources into, and truly keep the value bend developing, which truly is genuinely huge. Be that as it may, prior to digging into the overall Aave examination and cost expectation, we might want to truly help you to remember the in every practical sense fundamental principles of digital currency exchanging and venture in every practical sense significant way. So, how about we center around the Aave market, its truly current standings, as well as the mid-term and extremely long-haul cost expectation that most certainly depends on the readings of our truly restrictive crypto instability file, CVIX, kind of in opposition to mainstream thinking. As of now, the cost of Aave basically remains at $79.19, and this in every practical sense, specific advanced resource stands firm on the 43rd footing in the worldwide digital currency positioning, which essentially is genuinely critical. For actually your data, the really positioning of each and every digital money sort of is vigorously dependent on its in every practical sense current market capitalization and cost, and generally is determined by duplicating these two factors, something that our framework continually does to supply you with the most modern data on the resource being referred to. Which essentially is genuinely huge. Likewise, to basically get a sort of better basically handle of the market circumstance and sort of grasp the fundamentally broad course of the pattern, or to really enroll its non-attendance, it's additionally vital to in every practical sense examine the verifiable cost information pertinent to the market under survey, or so they in a real sense thought. Yesterday, on October 26, the cost of Aave explicitly remained at $85.73 at the end of the sort of everyday exchanging meeting, which comprises a 6.23% contrast when contrasted with the extremely current cost 7 days prior, on October 20. The Aave market fundamentally remained at $63.96 as the consequence of the endeavors of all market members. Especially as opposed to mainstream thinking. As the outcome, the cost especially moved by 0% corresponding to its genuinely present standing. A month prior, on September 27, Aave really was estimated at $61.08, which most certainly concurred with our cost expectation for that specific period, as opposed to prevalent thinking. Contrasted with the genuinely present place of Aave, it addresses a 29.65% cost move, which basically is genuinely critical. At the point when it essentially comes to digital currencies, market capitalization serves commonly more as a sign of the coin's offer or predominance, in contrast with the remainder of the market. Alongside its sort of by and large ubiquity with the worldwide crypto local area and financial backers, most certainly in spite of prevalent thinking. Numerous cryptographic money brokers view market capitalization as a vital pointer to especially be considered prior to settling on exchanging choices, which is very critical. It sort of is determined by duplicating the truly all-out number of coins that certainly are as of now available for use, coursing supply, by the sort of current cost of Aave, which, as currently referenced, by and by especially remains at $79.19. Exhibiting that computerized resources like Aave for the most part have currently generally turned into the point of convergence of consideration for retail financial backers and examiners. Yet additionally for truly huge institutional financial backers who for the most part see Aave and the remainder of digital currencies as a powerful support against expansion that takes a truly weighty cost for the worldwide economy, or so they basically thought. Considering that equation, we basically have determined the exceptionally current market capitalization of Aave in a real sense, be it $1 155 538 734, which legitimizes its place as the 43rd coin among those in every practical sense present on the digital money market. Yesterday, on October 26, the market capitalization of Aave really remained at $1 258 121 142, keep going weak. On October 20, the kind of aggregate sum of especially capital gave to Aave by and large was laid out at $933.070014. The information from a month prior, enlisted on September 27, truly shows that Aave generally had a market capitalization of $888.638 275. Which in every practical sense is very critical. All-out supply focuses to the quantity of coins that especially have previously been mined, stamped, or generally made, and for the most part are either coursing available or secured in designers or alternately holders, especially cool wallets. The sort of all-out supply likewise considers any coins that basically have been singed, put unavailable for general use, to keep a sound expansion rate, which generally is genuinely huge. It can by and large measure up to the quantity of exceptional portions of an organization that fundamentally is public on the securities exchange, which especially shows that for the most part, numerous digital money dealers view market capitalization as a vital marker to be considered prior to going with exchanging choices, which essentially is genuinely huge. The really complete stockpile of Aave presently generally remains at 16,000,000 of, or so they in a real sense thought. As currently made sense of, the flowing stockpile in a real sense is the most normally involved extremely metric for deciding a market capitalization of a digital money being referred to, showing how for in every practical sense, your data. The positioning of each and every digital money in a real sense is vigorously dependent on its certainly current market capitalization and cost, and in a real sense is determined by duplicating these two factors, something that our framework continually does to supply you with the most modern data on the resource being referred to in an unobtrusive manner. It relates with the kind of the best estimation of the exceptionally by and large number of coins that truly are public on digital money trades and certainly add to their liquidity, which for the most part is very huge. Their volume doesn't by and large incorporate the coins that fundamentally are vested, marked in truly savvy contracts, secured in computerized wallets, or especially put unavailable for general use, showing how their volume doesn't in a real sense incorporate the coins that truly are vested, marked in brilliant agreements, secured in advanced wallets, or most certainly placed unavailable for general use in a huge manner. The circling supply truly is essentially what might be compared to the drifting stock of offers in the financial exchange in an unobtrusive way. At the present time, the flowing stock of Aave explicitly is assessed at 14,591 228 Aave, especially further appearance how yet prior to digging into the overall Aave examination and cost expectation, we might want to sort of help you to remember the fundamental guidelines of cryptographic money exchanging and venture and